So what are the classes that implementing the list interface? So we have seen the particular features which are present in the list interfaces and various methods available in the interface, right? So what is the main function or main feature of the interface, like generic in the sense of interface? So interface is nothing but it gives the one type of the contract, and whatever the classes which are going to implement this interface has to satisfy that contract. Same in a list also. So list interface defines, or so we can call as a declare the several methods, like whatever we have seen get, it has some particular method with the specific to index, like this is the contract given by the list interface. Means whatever the classes are going to implement the list interface has to satisfy this contract, right? So the we are going to see the whatever what are the different type of classes which are implementing the list interface. So first one is array list. So array list is came in 1.2 version. Then the second one is linked list. Linked list also came in 1.2 version. The third implementing class is vector. So vector it's come in a 1.0 version. So whatever the classes or interfaces came in 1.0 version, that is old version, that all classes called as a legacy classes of the Java, right? So vector is a legacy class. Okay, then we have the another class which is the child class of this vector, that is the stack. So you may have a question, why there are these kind of classes which are implementing the same interface? As I earlier said, interface is the only giving the contract. So whatever the classes which going to implement this interface, list interface, has to satisfy that contract. Contract in the sense list has declared several methods, right? Get, add all, some methods with specific to index. So whatever the classes are going to implement this list interface has to satisfy all these methods. Means all these methods should be present in the that implemented class. But the way in which you will going to implement it's totally depends on the that class. Means the whatever the methods are present in the list by default will be present in this all classes, but the how we are going to implement it's a different for every class. For example, we have the add method which takes the one element which will include in the list. So same add method will be here, but the way in which this add method will work it's a different for each class, like this. Means what the logic of implementation is different for each class, but the feature or contract will be the same. Means what are the feature from the list will be present in this all classes. So what was the features we have seen in the last video? So first it is representing the group of object, right? Then insertion order is preserved. The main thing is in the list insertion order is preserved. So whatever the classes we are going to see will must preserve this property. Insertion order must be preserved. Then in list duplicates are allowed. So whatever the class will implement the list will have these features. Then if we have the duplicate, we must have the index which we will use to differentiate these duplicates. So that is the features from the list interface, right? So all these features will be available in the all these classes whatever we have seen, right? Array list, linked list, and vector stack, right? So let's start with the first one, that is the array list.